Sir, it's your boy back with another video, man. Back with another video. So today what I'm doing today, man, we're gonna probably hit this car show. Gucci get it going, I think that's what it is. So had some issues going on with the tail lights on the bike. We got that fixed. So I got it on the stand right now. We finna wash this thing down, man. I'm finna show y'all how to detail the bike. Let's get it. And we got the bike on the stand. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put one of my chemicals on to polish all the chrome, get all the chrome, also get all like the oil do and everything that kicks up. To show y'all somebody, man, excuse me, I don't got no glasses on right now, man. It's just one cat, man. I don't care wherever something is busting at, my man is pulling up. He could be in Japan. I think bro going. You know what I'm saying? He'll put the Buick on the plane or something. On the real. Yes, sir.
What y'all doing today, gang? It's your boy S. Dot, man. Endless Turn. Make sure y'all subscribe, like, share, subscribe, all of that good stuff. Not just to my channel, but to Flyroid too. And make sure you support the Crumb Snatchers. They got the most going on.
Yeah, they do.
He can get you together, man.
Yeah, the Crumb Snatchers
right.
making it happen right now.
Real, for real, man. Get that man there. Y'all see, just like you said, I'm there. So y'all see me, how he see me. I be seeing him the same way. That's the only way he see me.
Yes,
That's why
sir.
you know he pulling up
Yes,
to
sir.
everything too, man.
Yes, sir.
Man, get that man where he needs to be.
Yeah, let's
man.
get there.
I appreciate all the love and support.
Yes, sir.
Man.
I see how they pulling up. Oh yeah, what's up? I'ma get you. Yeah, hold on, man. Y'all see who pulled up? He said, yeah, I ain't even see him. This shit so fresh, man. Damn.
Yeah, dirty,
And you
man.
dirty. That's all
You
right.
ain't got the equipment with you.
No, sir.
Gotta watch it,
We on the crotch rocket, man. Yeah, he got it. Yes, sir. Yeah, you definitely need to watch.
Yeah, I need to watch.
Yeah,
Oh,
definitely.
man.
Hey, this the man to
What
do
up,
it right
Raquel?
here, man.
What's going on, S-Dot? What's going on, man?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, back on civilization, man. Hey, man, Gucci man had a Gucci Get It Gone had a nice little turnout, man. A lot of cars and all that. Y'all know me, man. Gotta get to smash. You know what I'm saying? But I did get to pull up on the bike, man. Took me a nice little ride. It was all good, man. Somebody did something butt wild on it, though, but it's all good. We ain't gonna talk about that, man. We're gonna keep positive vibes, man. But I got something in front of me, man. I'm trying to get him so he can pop the top, man. Uncle always come with the, see how you can see the sky? Man, he always got something where you can see the sky, man. But y'all stay tuned, man. Let me spin this camera around, man. Let's get it.
I got you.
Man, what y'all see? Yes, sir. Oh, nigga in the sky, man. Look, told y'all, man, looking at the angels, man. You like looking at the angels, man. You see, you got Unc in the building, man. Go on, tell him what this is, man.
68 Pontiac, bro.
Y'all-
350.
Y'all hear him? Yeah. I'm trying to see if, you know what I'm saying, if we can hit a couple blocks in, what's say, huh?
I ain't never seen my car.
Yeah, your car all on my channel, man. Couple times, my Instagram, everywhere. I told you to tell your grandkids that Pawpaw is on Instagram. You know what I'm saying? We gonna get you on there, man. Y'all see it, man. You got the sky, it's the man. Yes, sir. Look at that, man. The second fill on it. Oh, man, he don't. Yeah, he classy. You know what I'm saying? It ain't action. Y'all see? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Uncle always got the lights on. He always got, hey, so look, tell me what's the thing, man. Since I've been little, man, all I remember, you pull up with your park lights on. Why you got the park lights on, man? Look, yeah, Uncle always got the park lights on, man. I'm wondering if he got 2 batteries and everything, man. He always got the park lights on, man. But y'all drop something in the comments, man. Let me know what y'all think of this, man. It's clean, man.
Appreciate it.
It's real clean. Nah, he can come back a couple times, man. Go on, it's still daylight. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's still daylight, man. He can come back a couple times with the roof, whole top gone. Yeah, man. Like I said, man, y'all make sure y'all drop some in the comments, man. Tell me what y'all think of that. You know what I'm saying?
You got Facebook?
Yes, sir.
You on Facebook? I don't know.
Yes, sir.
I need